Welcome to the mini RBS usage tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to turn your regular motorized curtains into a smart solution. First, locate the motor wires, usually labeled or color-coded, and the neutral and live wires coming from the wall box. Before anything, make sure the power is turned off for safety. Now follow the wiring diagram to connect the wires. Make sure every terminal is securely fastened. A loose deconnection could cause issues later. Once everything is connected, go ahead and turn the power back on. Now let's pair the device. Press and hold the button on the device until the indicator light flashes in a 2 short 1 long pattern. Open the app, then just follow the instructions to complete the setup. Once paired, you can now view the device information in the app. And yes, it's that easy. Press the switch to check the roller shutter's direction. If it's wrong, power off, swap lout 1 and lout 2, then test again. Once it works perfectly, power off the system again and mount the external switch to the wall box. Tighten the screws firmly so it stays in place. Power on the system to complete setup. And that's it. Your motorized curtains are now officially smart. If you need more help, check the user manual or contact our support team anytime.